Chapter 8. Home. Sparky had been on many adventures and had seen many amazing places, but he always knew that there was no place like home. And so, he decided to return to his cozy little house in the quiet countryside. As he made his way back home, Sparky thought about all the things he missed while he was away. He missed the warm sunshine, the sound of birds singing in the trees, and the fresh scent of the flowers in his garden. When he arrived, Sparky was overjoyed to see that everything was just as he had left it. His house was still standing, and his garden was still blooming with beautiful flowers and lush green plants. Sparky spent his first few days at home lounging in the sun, napping on his favorite cushion, and watching the butterflies flit around his garden. But he soon realized that he had missed his friends too. And so, Sparky decided to invite all his animal friends over for a big party. He invited the squirrels, the rabbits, the birds, and even the occasional visiting deer. They all happily accepted his invitation and came over to his house to celebrate. Sparky had a wonderful time catching up with his friends, playing games, and sharing stories about his adventures. They all had a big feast with lots of delicious food, and Sparky even put on a magic show for everyone to enjoy. As the party came to an end, Sparky felt happy and content. He had been on many adventures, but he knew that home was where his heart truly belonged. He felt grateful for his cozy little house, his beautiful garden, and all of his wonderful animal friends. From that day on, Sparky continued to go on adventures and see new places, but he always made sure to return home to his peaceful little corner of the world. He knew that no matter where he went, he would always have a warm and welcoming home to come back to.